We are very confident of our people of Kandolim because the work we have done in Kandolim. We have done so much work that I knew that 100% will give the lead and she'll win in Kalangut constituency. I have told it in the CM's meeting also that Kandolim will be the decision maker, highest lead. And it's come through. Yeah, thank you.
कालांगुटात इतकी लीड कशी कमी आली?
Kalangut, I don't know.
हे सीट आमी जिखोंक पावली. कांदोलीम आमी बरी लीड गेल्ल्या. आमचो सरपंचाचो म्हाका फूल सपोर्ट मेळ्ळो, ब्लेस फेर्नांदीस आनी लॉरी आमचो वॉर्ड मेंबर आनी एंटायर टीम, कालांगूट पंचायत, ऑल द वॉर्ड मेंबर्स, आरपोरा, नागवा, शिकेरेम. थँक यू ईच एंड एवरी वन फॉर वोटींग मी. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. आज चड देव बरें करूं म्हणून सोदता आमचो MLA मायकल लोबो. ताणें म्हाका एक्सटेंड सपोर्ट केला म्हणून ही सीट जिखपाक. आणि गॉड इज ग्रेट आणि ऑल द BJP कार्यकर्ताज. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थँक यू.
After first round, you were sure of the victory also.
Yes,
After
we
first
were-
round counting, you were trailing.
Yeah, we were trailing.
Yeah, but still you were confident of the victory.
Yes, because of Kandolim. Yeah, because of Kandolim. Kandolim was leading. Yeah.
एक गजाल पळय
victory, support from everyone. आमकां कितें म्हणलें that first round there was a setback, but this setback आमी calculate केल्ले because a lot of like our voters which normally vote for us, the vote has little shifted towards RG. This is the fact that we see on the with the sheets that have come. But we knew that Kandolim was always our solid force behind us.